Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our comparison review of the Wahoo Watch S8, comparing it with Infinix X Watch H4. And on this video, we are going to compare the menus and features. So, if you are interested to know the difference between the two smartwatches, watch this video. And again, if you have any questions, drop a comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and compare the two smartwatches. Again, this is our Wahoo Watch S8 smartwatch, and the other one, our Infinix X Watch H4. Let's compare the UI and the menus and features. Both do have a rotary crown button, but this one, it is somewhat tactile. Okay, you can really feel that it is selecting or rotating. We can hear the sound of the crown button turning. While for this one, there is a smooth rotating crown button here. No sounds, no feedback. For the UI, we have the settings. On the bottom part, we have the notifications. Both do have a split screen, and we have the widgets or the components. To access the main menu, I think for our Wahoo Watch S8, split screen, then select the menus. For our Infinix X Watch H4, just press the power button. Let's change this first to a different menu. We have an option here, display, menu view. Let's change it to list. Okay, so we can compare. And we have here automatic activity tracking. We have the sleep monitoring. Seems like they have the same menus, or they have the same layout. We have the heart rate here, the same sequence. We have the Bluetooth phone call. We have here the heart rate. Okay, going back. We have the sports functions, exercise. Okay, so it seems like they have the same operating system. And for the sports functions, both do have a comprehensive list of sports functions. Okay, we have exercise records, SpO2, stress monitoring, weather. Seems like the body frame is only the difference between the two wearables when it comes to the offered features here. As you can see, we have messages, shutter, okay, player or Bluetooth music control function. We have relaxation, AI voice. We have timer and alarm, stopwatch, the same. Okay, so we have a flashlight here. We don't have it here. We have cycle tracking. Yes, we have a flashlight also. We have find phone, calculator. We have a world clock here on our Wahoo Watch S8, but we don't have it here. We have a games, but we don't have in the Wahoo Watch S8. Okay, we should have a games also. I think the only missing here is the world clock. We have a world clock on our Wahoo Watch S8, but we don't have it here in the X Watch H4. Okay, for the settings, we have display, vibrate and ring, so the same. Do not disturb mode, low power mode. We have the phone here, We have a password. We don't have a password support. Okay, I don't see any password support for our Wahfit Watch S8. We have the drain, about, the version. Okay. So in terms of offering, there are more options, I think, for our, let's see. In the settings, more options for our X-Watch H4. But in the main menu, there are more options for our Wahfit Watch S8. Okay. We have a world clock. We don't have it here. Other than that, it's almost the same menus. Again, for the settings, we have display, sleep, watch face, menu view, wrist trace. Okay, we have here the wrist trace, but we don't have a wrist drop that is available in the X-Watch H4. Vibrating ring, the same. Do not disturb mode, low power mode. We have a password. We don't have it here. Let's check out the system. We have a very useful feature here, the drain. This is for the water. We don't have it here. Okay, so that's it for our comparison review of the menus and features of the Wahfit Watch S8, comparing it with the Infinix X-Watch H4. So which do you think is better? Drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.